In this video, I will show you how to set up HubSpot for sales. First, go to HubSpot.com and sign up for a free account. Once you log in, you'll reach the main dashboard where all your sales tools are available. Now go to the left menu and click on Sales Hub Tools or Settings to start setting up your sales workspace. Make sure your account is properly configured with your business details. Next, open Contacts and start adding your leads. Click Create Contact. Enter their name, email, and phone number, then save it. These contacts will be your potential customers. After that, go to Deals and click Create Deal. Give your deal a name, set the deal value, and choose the pipeline stage like New Lead, In Progress, or Closed. Then link it with the correct contact. This helps you track every sale step by step. Now move to the pipeline section. Here you can organize your deals visually and drag them through different stages as your sales progress. Next, go to Tasks and create follow-up tasks for your leads. Add reminders so you never miss calls, emails, or meetings with potential customers. You can also connect your email account from settings. This allows HubSpot to automatically track your sales emails and keep everything organized in one place. Finally, check your dashboard regularly. It will show your deals, progress, and upcoming tasks so you can manage your sales easily. That's how you can set up HubSpot for sales. If you found this video helpful, subscribe to our channel.